He who summons the darkness is where you find me. Commands the magic.
Yes, it came from outer space to fill the world with terror, to bring you unforgettable suspense. What was it? Where did it come from? Who were the all-powerful creatures it brought from outer space? And what did they want? It came outer space.
Prisoner from Cuba. First time I heard DJ Sly and the bass. Music to my ears. These guys are rough. So what I say hello to my little friend.
Woo! Hey, if you want to read out, listen to the one. Say yeah, motherfucker, yeah, motherfucker, yeah. Say yeah, motherfucker, yeah, motherfucker, yeah. Sly, hold that blood now. So when I'm a team, I'm reload when I'm in this room, boy. I shut up even this, you hear me? Spider, runs, combies, what's up? Yo, Sly, hey, mate, I'm going in, you know, it's your birthday.
Tony Montana, a political prisoner from Cuba. First time I heard DJ Sly and the bass. Music to my ears. These guys are rough.